Today, I'll walk you through how to use Xero for tax return preparation, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate Xero's tax settings so you can ensure accurate tax reporting for your business. Let's dive right in. Start by signing into your Xero account. Think of this as entering the main lobby of a building where all your financial data resides. Once you're in, click on Accounting and then open Accounting Settings. This is like heading to the control room where all the critical configurations are managed. Next, select Manual Tax Rates to review the tax rates configured for your organization. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero updates its interface regularly, but the core functionality remains the same. Now open a tax rate to view its details. This is akin to opening a file folder to see what's inside. Here, you'll want to review the tax rate display name and the tax components that make up the total tax percentage. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Understanding these details is crucial for accurate financial reporting. As you explore, take note of how individual tax percentages contribute to the overall tax rate. Accurate tax rates help ensure that transactions are recorded correctly and support your tax reporting requirements. Think of this as making sure all the ingredients are measured correctly in a recipe to get the desired outcome. Once you've reviewed the settings, close the tax rate window. You've now completed the essential steps for using Xero in tax return preparation. That's how to use Xero for tax return preparation. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.